Lastly, let's call in the last three dreamers from Nevelim. Please step forward, Lance, Ron, and Kenshin. Only one seat is left. I guess at this point, the rank doesn't matter as long as makalusot lang kayo sa top 18, right? Lance, you have become the default kuya or hyang of our dreamers, and we hope to see more of your maturity and leadership skills someday. Ron, most of the dreamers wish they have you in their team because of your talent and experience. Pero let's see if the mentors want you to be with other finalists. And Kenshin, consistent ka sa top ng leaderboard. Pero sumablay ka kaya this time? Alright, time to reveal your rank. Lance, the scores you got from the mentors are 65, 92, 65, 92, 67, 86, and 79, giving a total of 546 points. And that means you are tied with Calix on top 18. Congratulations!
As in, wala pong nag-register sa utak. Sinabi niya yung score, sinabi yung ranking, wala. As in, lang. Yun po talaga siya. Yun. Na-realize ko lang po na same rank kami ni Calix doon nung sinabi sa akin na tie nga po talaga. Kasi ready na rin ako lumabas doon. Pero yun nga, nung sinabi din ni Ate Sundara na tie kami, doon ako parang
Ron and Kenshin, dalawa na lang kayo and only one seat is left. I know this is not the first time na sumali kayo sa Idol Survival Competition. This only shows how badly you want to fulfill your idol dreams. Pero this time, sino kaya sa inyo ang makakaroon ng another chance na matupad ang kanyang pangarap? Are you ready for the results? Ron, your scores from the mentors are 75, 97, 78, 75, 85, 65, 71. Kenshin, you got 85, 95, 72, 85, 90, 80, 74 from the mentors. That means Kenshin got a total score of 581 points, placing him on rank 11. Congratulations, Kenshin. Ron, your total score is 546 points. And good news, you are tied with Lance and Calix on top 18! Congratulations!
To be honest, tinanggap ko na siya. Tinanggap ko na siya na kay Kenshin na yung last spot. And actually, hindi masama yung loob ko na sa kanya mapupunta yung rank. Kasi I know how badly he wants this. And ako, I can still manage to put myself where I'm supposed to be. And I feel like deserve ni Kenshin yung last spot. Hindi na po ako makahinga nung part na naubos na yung teammates ko. Sobrang bigat sa akin. And ayun, parang hindi ko na napaprocess yung mga nangyayari sa akin yung time na yun. Nung tumakbo na sila sa tabi ko, ayun, doon ko lang na-realize na I still get to continue.